Hey, what's up, guys? This is Godwin, Tampa Bay Buccaneers wide receiver, and this is the Lowe's home team at home. When I think of home, the thing that comes to mind really is family. For me, my family being my fiance and my 2 dogs, I felt like it was very, very crucial for us to, to really get a home that we can have a space for our dogs. This is my fiance, Mariah, and this is Ziggy. She's our little athletic, friendly, cuddly little girl. Here you go, Pitch. And then this is Ghosty. He loves getting pets. So today we're talking about how to have a pet-friendly yard.
And having a fence is a big part of that. The main reason to have a fence when you have dogs is you want to be able to let your dogs out, let them run around, let them play.
Good girl. It's very important to keep your lawn mowed for your dogs. Reduces the chances of there being insects and pests that are in your yard that could potentially harm your dogs. Once we got our first dog, I just wanted to do whatever I could to make sure that dogs were always in my life. The Team Godwin Foundation is surrounded around giving at-risk dogs a second chance through advocacy and financial support. Ready? One important thing to really consider is that the plants that are in your yard, make sure that they're non-toxic. So we have a doghouse for both of our pups. One of the great things about having a doghouse really is just having a space for your dog to come and relax.
The important thing to remember about doghouses, though, is it's not a form of shelter, so you don't want to be leaving your dog in a doghouse for a long period of time. Good boy.
We have this space now, and it's our home. We get to create all the memories that we wanted here, and those things will really last forever. Good girl. Good job.
For Chris's project and more DIY inspiration from your favorite NFL players, visit Lowe's.com/HomeTeamAtHome.